You could thank me now. Go ahead. Thank me later, yeah, I know what I said. But later doesn't always come, so instead. The difference is, I pay attention. Whatever I say.
Hey y'all, today we are working with ELFIN hair. I have this beautiful 14-inch wig. Look at this packaging. Isn't it so cute? They have the Christmas package, so make sure you guys are interested in purchasing. Their packaging is beautiful. They give you a free comb and a free brush and some lashes. That's a bonus. Stay tuned to this video. This is the look that we are going for today. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications. I just want to let you guys know that this will be a glueless install. So as I'm measuring the wig onto her head, I just want to make sure everything is proportioned right so that when I cut it, everything won't pull or snug back. So we have these drawstrings in the back. We have these little wig clips also that make sure you clip it in, and also pull those two elastic bands together to make sure that wig is secured and tight. So when you do style it in the front or however, the client's hair still will feel nice and secured.
Filthy blocks.
So what I'm actually doing here, even though this is a glueless, some people do prefer some type of like gel that maybe holds, and this got to be super hold gel. This holds pretty good for glueless installs. You still want to make sure it dries too. You can put more than one coat on, it's up to you, but it's not like the bowl holder, the glue, because it's a glueless install.
I am filthy blocks. I am filthy blocks.
So let's keep in mind, once again, this is a glueless install, so you can't add baby hairs. You can't do everything that you would do with the regular frontal. I'm giving her a very, very deep side part, kind of like over her eyebrow, falling kind of like over her eye. Side part, like maybe kind of like the Aaliyah style. I want to open up her hairline as far as the center part goes, and also the back. It just seemed very, very tight, so I'm just going to kind of like loosen up that part just so it can seem a little more real. So I'm going to just go in and pluck also this part, and also in between around the part, so that her slick back can look as well as this frontal.
And filthy blocks. 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 And filthy blocks.
This looks so fucking natural. Like, you cannot say this not her real hair. Like, okay. So we're gonna accessorize it with some little big clips. You know, these are in style now. You can dress it up however you want to. Isn't this like so, like, what era is this? 80s, 70s, 80s era? Like, so super cute. Just, you could just throw it behind your ear, wear it just nice and flat. This is my glueless in style. Check it out. Make sure you guys click the link in the description box. I also have another look for you guys, so just stay tuned for the next video. You can dress it up, dress it down.
Filthy plucks. I am filthy plucks.